Hello guys, hope you all are well. Today I will show you how I connect my Samsung Galaxy F22 mobile into my laptop. See, this is my Samsung Galaxy F22 mobile and this is my laptop Windows 10 operated. See, this is my Samsung Galaxy F22. It is operated by Android 11. So let's go to the work. So if you want to connect your any kind of mobile in your laptop, you need to do two things, small things. At first, you ensure that your phone and your laptop must be connected with same Wi-Fi network first, and second is you need to enable project into the PC feature in your computer. So how you enable your project into the PC feature in your PC? So the answer is I say follow the I button. I will give you here a link of this video that I was created a few days ago. You need to if you need it you can watch this, and after that you connect your Samsung Galaxy mobile very easily. Let's go. So go to your computer start menu, click setting and then click system. After that scroll down below and click projecting to this PC. See, this is projecting to the PC Windows, and after that click launch the connect app to project this PC, and after that scroll here and click smart view. See, desktop here is showing my computer mirroring screen. Click here and click start now. See, already my Samsung Galaxy F22 screen in my PC. So this is a simple step. You can enable display mirroring in your computer. So if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.